Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Xomikaylab here in case you forgot. So today I'm doing yet another try on haul, but it's not clothes. Today it's actually glasses. I had the pleasure of being sponsored by a company called Fytoo. So they gave me the cutest 5 pairs of glasses. So I'm going to review those for you today. And if you're interested in more content like this, be sure to subscribe, watch to the end, and like this video. Okay, so I do forget the names of most of these glasses, so I will put them on the screen. But I'm just going to get started. And I got my little mirror here so I can look at them as I go. So first, and don't mind me guys, I got a new microphone because I know my audio was a little trash on the last video. So don't mind me holding the microphone. Oh my god, these glasses are actually so cute. Like, I feel like a little school teacher or a mother or something, especially with my hair like this. But I think these glasses are even cuter than I expected. So they're pink, and they have the little cat eye shape with the silver frames. And these, I absolutely love these. These get a 10. So another thing with these glasses, now I just got them with the computer screen blue light, whatever that thing is called, but you can get them with your prescription, so you can wear these as everyday glasses. But yes, I absolutely love these. These are so very cute. Okay, so next up are these pinkish purple, this is like a magenta color frames with also silver lining. So it's similar to the cat eye shape of the last one. And I think these are so cute too. These make me feel like a mother. Like I should be at a parent teacher conference, but like not just any mother. It's definitely giving MILF. Like these are so cute. I absolutely love them, and these get a 10 out of 10 as well. Okay, I love these glasses as well. When I ordered these, I thought these might be my favorite, and they definitely didn't disappoint. So these, and I believe these ones are called Bianca. I ordered them because that's my best friend's name. But they have the gray to pink faded frames with the gold detailing on the side, and these are so cute. These are so cute. You guys, I'm mad that I didn't get my prescription put in these glasses. I definitely should have. But I absolutely love these. These get a 10. And I'm not just saying that all these get a 10. These are actually really cute. So yes, these are definitely one of my favorites. So next we have these clear frames with the brown arm. And these are really cute also. Like I don't have anything bad to say about any of these glasses. They fit really well. They're comfortable on my face. I just have no complaints. I think these are so cute. You can wear them with everything, and I'm definitely going to start wearing glasses like every day just to elevate my style a little bit and make my outfits look that much better, because these are so cute and they're such a vibe. Definitely 10 out of 10. And then last but not least, we have these glasses with the silver frames and with this I don't know what to call this detailing, but it's like yellow and brown speckled. These are really cute. These kind of remind me a little bit of a vintage, because I feel like that style on the top of the frames is something I used to see back in like the 90s a lot when my mom had glasses, and it's kind of nostalgic to me. But yes, these are amazing. These are so cute, and I absolutely love them. 10 out of 10 for sure. Okay, so I put back on my favorites. I think these ones are my favorite, and they match my outfit. So that's it, you guys. These are the glasses that I got from Fytoo. I'll definitely put all their information down below, and be sure to check them out. They have so many glasses. These are even cuter than I expected. I'm not a big glass wearer at all, but this definitely just changed my mind, and I'm going to incorporate these glasses into my everyday outfit. So you'll definitely be seeing these in future videos. So thank you so much to Fytoo. And be sure to check out their Black Friday sale, and visit their website, become a frequent shopper, use my code, which will be down in the description as well. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know which pair was your favorite, and come back for more. See you soon.